Danielle Lisette Monreal, or should I say Stanley? First off, my little one, I want to say that I love you. I love you for exactly who you are, inside and out. Through my eyes, you are perfect and my undeniable soulmate. I will never forget the fateful day we met on February 20th, 2017. I gazed across the tables and saw this golden aura shining over a gorgeous woman by the window, you. It was powerful and drew me instantly to you. I knew from that moment on, I wanted you in my life in whatever capacity it could fill.
I hadn't met a man as kind, as patient, as grounded, and as forthcoming as you. Your openness allowed me to be vulnerable and 100% myself. I quickly realized God put you in my path to show me selflessness, to teach me to live in the moment, and to focus my lens on what truly matters. First being time spent together, even when you pass out midway through the movie and your breathing gives you away. Secondly, our dinner conversations that I tend to elongate, and all you want to do is move to the couch and relax after a long day. Which leads me to my next lesson, patience. You give me the time and attention needed in any situation at any moment, and that I value deeply. Randy, you make me feel like the most important person in your life. Every day by showing up, having my cup of joe ready to kickstart my day, our daily morning and goodnight kisses, and never leaving the house before saying, I love you, followed by me saying, I love you too, be safe, and come back in one piece.
As the stars finally aligned, we started our journey together and has been the best years of my life. You truly complete me. You push me to be the best version of myself, only something you can do. I am beyond blessed that God has put you in my life, the amazing, confident, beautiful woman you are.
I vow to love you, to give you an unfailing love, a love that knows no boundary. A love that honors you as my best friend, my husband, and father to our future children. You are my family and my home. You are both my present and my future. You are the man of my life. The man God knew would be able to show me compassion, self-worth, and new perspectives. A man that I love not only for what you are, but for what I am when I am with you. I will be by your side for this spontaneous, unwritten, adventurous life until my last breath. I love you 3,000 plus 1 to infinity.
With all our family and friends here today, in the present, and all the beautiful souls that look down on us from the heavens, who have touched our lives in so many ways, I love you. Let's get this party started.